Welcome to Social Studies class. Today's lesson is the changes in roles and responsibilities of Caribbean families. Traditionally, right, there were certain roles and responsibilities that were set aside or assigned for certain members of the family, right? For example, the role of the woman or the mother was to be domestic and take care of the family, while the role of the father or the man was to be the sole breadwinner of the family. However, today these roles and responsibilities are changing, and there are a number of factors that contribute to this change. Some of these factors that affect the roles and responsibilities of the Caribbean family are economic unit, greater choice of employment for women, increased educational opportunities, greater recognition of the rights of women, and expansion of family education programs. We are also going to look at how does each factor changes the family. So the first one we're going to look at, the first factor we are going to look at is that of economic unit. How does economic unit changes the roles and responsibility of Caribbean families? As a result of economic unit, and we know that economic unit is one of the functions of the family. Economic unit also refers to the family's ability to meet the basic needs of each member, right? And today we are living in a society where the prices of food, house, clothing, medical costs, they are quite expensive, right? So as a result of economic unit, we have more and more single women having to work outside the home to support themselves and their families, right? And single woman could mean that she's also a single parent, right, having a child or children, right, but there's a male absent from the household, and there will always be needs to be met, right? So you will find now that women are leaving their homes and they are going out into society, going to the world of work to engage themselves in jobs that they can get salary or wages to supply or provide their families with the basic needs that they requires. Also, as a result of economic unit, the high cost of living has forced some women to work outside the home to supplement their spouse's income, especially in families in nuclear families, right, where you have both parents present with child or children. Traditionally, it is a male or the husband who is the sole breadwinner of the family. However, because of economic unit, we are seeing where women are now going out, leaving the home to work in order to help or supplement their spouse's income, right? So there we have two incomes coming in to meet the basic needs of the family. As a result also of greater choice of employment for women, we have men and women are now performing similar roles in the family and in the workplace. Because women they are going out to work, they are doing jobs that were once considered to be male-dominated jobs, right? They are providing for their families. So we are now seeing that the roles and responsibility of men and women are now similar. Usually, it was a male who was the breadwinner of the family. Now, we have some families where the female is a sole breadwinner, and then we have some other families where the female helps to supplement the income of the family. Because of increased educational opportunities, right, we are now seeing where women now have access to similar education and training as men, making it possible for women to gain the knowledge and skills for any job, right? So because of greater access to education and training, we now have more women uplifting themselves, more women being a part of the workforce, more women becoming independent, right? And more women developing high self-esteem, right? Because of increased educational opportunities. Greater recognition of the rights of women. As a result of greater recognition of the rights of women, we now have women having the right to equal opportunities and rights as men in areas of employment, wages, and education. So traditionally, there were certain jobs that were considered to be male-dominated. Females could not do those jobs, right? But because of greater recognition of the rights of women, we now see male and female engaging in the same jobs, right? When it comes on to wages, traditionally it was believed that a woman should not earn more than the man. However, today we're seeing where women and men are earning similar wages, or sometimes women are earning more than the men, right? Also in education. And a prime example of this is that if you should go into our schools, go into the universities, you will see more females than male attaining higher education. Expansion of family education programs. So as a result of family education programs, we are seeing a decline in the fertility rates. Yes. So women are having fewer children. They are now having more time to improve their skills, seek higher education, and pursue careers, right? So in other words, due to greater introduction, education of family planning methods, we are finding that women are now having less children. They are more focusing now on attaining higher education and also developing their skills and pursuing their careers, right? And this is all because of the changes in roles and the responsibility of families, Caribbean families today. All right? If you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comments section. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.